A while loop is
A loop.
a construct that starts with the keyword while, and we know it's a keyword because it's blue, followed by parentheses, followed by, hey, look, that looks kind of familiar. And yes, it does take very similar, it takes in fact the exact kind of thing that an if statement does. Then we open up a block. Just like we do with if statements, we have to, the C# compiler does not know if this code belongs to a while loop unless we tell it that it belongs to a while loop. And again, the C# compiler does not care about new lines or tabs or anything like that. The only way for C# to know that we want this code to be inside of this while loop is to explicitly declare it using our curly braces or our block. So everything inside of this block is associated with this while loop. And this while loop simply says while true. So let's see what happens. We hit F5. It says enter your age. It says blah is not a number. Read the instructions. I can put in whoa. I can put in hey. I can put in Nelson. I can put in stuff. And check this out. It's repeatedly asking me over and over and over again for me to enter my age. So it's doing this because a while loop starts at the top of this block, executes every single line of code inside of the block. Once it reaches the block, it goes all the way back to the beginning of the block and then starts running the code again.
If the expression's true.
Yeah.
And
well, yeah, I'm getting.
Well, that's important. And of course it's true in this case because Nelson has literally said it's always true by typing in true.
Right. So that introduces us to a problem.